Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this Mercedes Benz G Wagon. It's 2011. So from any screen, if we click telephone here, you've got telephone down there and call list down here. So we knock the arrow down to telephone, click OK for telephone, and you've got Bluetooth telephone there. If it's not on there, just navigate to it using these arrows, click OK, and it's got Bluetooth telephones. I just need to go down to my phone, and then you've got options at the right hand side. So we'll click the right arrow, click OK, and you've got deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 11? Yes. Make sure that's highlighted and click OK. That's it.